Good morning, everybody. It's Robb Moffett. I hope everybody's doing okay. Y'all being safe and taking your vitamin D. I know I am. Guys, this is Sunday, and I do reviews on Sunday, and I was going to review some products or service or good or whatever. You know what? I thought to myself, I've not really ever reviewed any of the things that I actually sell. I've been doing YouTube for 13 years, got over 840 videos. I don't think maybe one time I've talked about the stuff I sell on eBay. Let's talk about that this morning. If you're a prepper, this might be a video for you. If you're not a prepper, I'll tell you what, real quick, I'll show you the other things I sell on eBay that aren't related to prepping. Maybe you might be interested. But basically, we're going to talk about 2 CDs that I sell that's going to be specifically tailored to people who are preppers. But let's look at the total of things I got on eBay right now. By the way, I've been doing eBay for, I think, half my life. I've got 10,821 feedbacks on eBay. Mr. Hulo is my name there. I won't tell you how I picked that name. Yeah, but to start off, I've got gun manuals. Got over 506 gun manuals, airplane stuff. This is a good book, cookbook. Over 200 cookbooks. One of my favorite CDs I have there. A lot of camper plans, old-timey plans on boats and bicycles and all sorts of stuff. Canning, glass blowing, World War I, violins, nursing, the home movie I made of the seaplane out of Miami, which is pretty cool. Old World War II training films for the flying the B-26. How to make your own paperback books for pennies, which is something I used to do. I used to make my own paperback books before everything got digitized. How to make an underwater camera housing. This is what I used to manufacture and sell. Back in like 2002, 3, and 4, and I manufactured them myself out of a water pipe. Pretty cool little video. Metal detecting videos. How to escape. This was a very good book. I forgot the author's name. By the way, don't buy right now. All these prices are going to come down today to $6.95, except for the coins. More flying stuff, the B-17, how to fly. That's a cool video. How to fly the B-17, how to make a living in the woods. There's a bunch of books on here. That's a really good book. Underwater camera housings. Oh, Napoleon Hill, an audio book. Farm plans, nursing, model boats, raising chickens, raising rabbits, repair manual for TVs. These are my Civil War reproduction coins and money that you can frame up. That's very inexpensive. Energy books on how to make biogas and gasifiers, windmills, solar plants. More Piper Club airplane stuff, and rabbits, lots of rabbits. And then finally these last 2. These are the CDs we're going to talk about this morning that I sell. I've reduced the price to $6.95. I haven't spent a lot of time on these because the company that was hosting my photographs for the ads, they went out of business, and then my ads looked bad, and then something happened where everything got messed up. So I didn't want to go back. I didn't have time to take care of the ads, so they've just been languishing. So I decided to go ahead and redo my eBay stuff, and I'm changing the prices. So let's look at the first manual, number 1. This is WTSHTF. When the crap hits the fan, survival CD, and the end of the world as we know it. This is a little CD you can put on your computer. All the books and stuff and information is going to be in folders in Adobe PDF format. This is volume 1. Now, what do you get on volume 1? You get 27 books. And there's a ton more on the second volume. We'll talk about in just a second. And I went way too long here. This ad was written like 10 years ago. The very first book, Army Ranger Handbook. Number 2, by the way, the Army Ranger Handbook alone is worth $6.95. It's an incredible book. We're talking about the freaking Army Rangers, okay? This isn't somebody living in their basement. Number 2, this is an old book on household formulas, over 10,000 formulas, recipes. Book on canning, the Army Manual on survival, a field manual on operating in urban terrain. We will not say any more about that. Field manual on first aid, the emergency war surgery book for NATO. This is a small booklet. This is not a book but raised beds on here in Miami-Dade. The Army Navy Corps multi-service procedures for survival, evasion, and recovery. I'm not going to evade. I'm just going to stay home. They're going to find me easy. This is probably worth the ball of wax right here. When There's No Dentist. It's a great book. Florida Bees and Honey. If you don't live in Florida, you live in the South, this is excellent book. The bees have not been updated. They're still pretty much the same. Basic Book of Organic Gardening, Foxfire 1, 2, and 3, which are probably their best volumes. Better Nutrition for Gardening, Gardening Seeds, Growing More Vegetables, Make Your Own Fertilizer, Hydroponics, Intensive Gardening for Profit and Self-Sufficiency. Poultry, we're talking about chickens now. Poultry raising, poultry housing, poultry management, poultry raising rabbits, which a lot of people consider one of the best animals to have for people on small homesteads here. And the Village Technology Handbook. Not related to the village people. There's a bunch of cool, basically 60, 70 technology. So, and then there's more information about the individual book. So if you go to the actual eBay ad, I'll leave a link to my eBay site. You can go on and check, so you can get all this information. And I went into more detail what each book has, so you're not just buying blindly. You can see all the stuff that each individual book has, the chapters, and so on. And there's so much information. And like all of this for one $6.95 price, and that includes shipping. It comes on a CD. I may not have that fancy cover because my printer's going on a fritz right now, but you might have just my handwritten stuff on the cover. But $6.95, shipping included, and it comes with a money-back guarantee if you do not like it for any reason at all. It doesn't matter if your dog sat on it. I don't care what happened to it. If you don't like it, 30 days, let me know, send it back. We're good to go. Give you money back, or you can swap for a different CD if you don't like that one. Let's look at that. Oh, this is some of the people wrote what they liked about it, and they bought it a long time ago, different prices. Some of them were kind of high, but the price come down. But right now, people are getting more and more interested in prepping. I've decided to start selling it again, but I'm going to lower the price, $6.95. Let's look at volume number 2. Same cover. Like I said, your CD may not come with this cover because right now my printer, but it was such a cool cover. I was so happy. I was so proud of those. This is all lettering. 27 survival books for when the crap hits the fan. Now, free shipping. What do you get for volume 2? Volume 2, you get some pretty cool stuff. Start off with the Modern Gunsmith, 2 volumes. It's very, very lengthy and detailed. In book 2 is 31 AK-47 manuals. By the way, if you're into guns, I have one CD that's got like 500 manuals on it. But this is only AK-47. This is something not many people know about. Laurie Baker, he was one of my favorite architects. He lived in India. He was from England. And he basically spent his life learning how to build buildings and houses out of inexpensive materials that people in India could afford. Basically mud and stone and brick and things you could build yourself. But fascinating designs. Very interesting person. And I've got all of his books that he published on that CD. The American Boys Engineering book, full of really cool stuff people or kids supposedly did back in 1910, which I do not believe. Amazing. The Tubular Plastic Biodigester, that's about how to take waste products, animal manures, or even vegetable matter, and make methane by using big plastic tubes you make out of plastic sheeting. Really fascinating. You can be energy independent if you have animals on your homestead there. The Solar Cookery, I think it's just one book though. Make Your Own Alcohol, How to Build Your Own Electric Vehicle. This is back from the 70s, though. A lot of stuff has changed, but still it's good information. When There's No Doctor, still the best thing on the whole CD. It's worth $6.95. This is my book I wrote back in 1998 or 99 when I was selling on eBay. I sold for several years, and I was making a living. I think 2000 maybe I wrote the book. And the part about the internet resources in this book they became obsolete within weeks or months when I wrote the book years ago. But the actual part about me finding stuff and packaging and selling has not dated at all. It's still relevant. Also, the items that I looked for are still relevant too, maybe even more so. It's a really very well written book. In fact, it's on Amazon right now. I think for what is it? I think it's for like $5 or $6 right now alone. So this CD is a bargain. Foxfire 4, the Journal of the New Alchemist. They got a lot of cool stuff. Mini technology, making a little hydro electric power, water power for the farm, hydraulic ram pump, which are cool. Making your own alcohol, solar water heaters, solar cookers, harnessing rivers, crop dryers, building your own solar cell, and a solar still. This is more of an energy book than the other one was. The other one was mostly rabbits and chickens and stuff. And then now I go into detail on the actual book, the Gunsmith book, which is heavy duty. There's 2 of them. And like I said, all of these are on Adobe format. You can open them up on your computer. Also, there's ways you can transfer a book that's written in Adobe PDF, a PDF book. You can transfer it to a Kindle. There's ways you can do that. In fact, I think I'm going to make a video about that process where you can transfer a PDF to your Kindle, because all these are in PDF. This was the boys' engineering book. Look at the cool stuff that they did back in 1910. Making your own workshop, making telescopes, grinders, saws, signal guns, railroads, barges, power stuff, boat elevator, sawmills, transformers, welding. 1910, guys, for boys. They actually, some of these little book articles would be good to make YouTube videos on, I think. Now here's the tubular biodigester book. If you have some land and property and some animals, be a no-brainer. Solar cookery book. This is from the 70s, I think. Make your own alcohol and so on. Electric vehicle. When There's No Doctor. That book is worth the whole $6.95 right there. So, and my book, Working from Home, on eBay. So these are the books, and if you go to eBay, you can make a bid. Not bid. That this is the buy it now price, $6.95. It comes to you free shipping, and I'm going to be changing the price on all these and changing the ads, make them look a little better. So that's the review for this morning. Something that I'm selling, something I'm reviewing that's actually made by me, and been doing it a long time. 10,821, almost entirely positive feedbacks. But it's been slowed down quite a bit though. Like the last month, I've only got 5 feedbacks, very few sales. So I thought I'd spend some more time on my eBay the next couple of months, because I haven't done it in actually a few years. I let it sort of languish while I was becoming a YouTube the king of YouTube, making sandwich toaster videos. All right, guys. I hope there's something helpful to you and was interesting. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section, and I'll put the link to my eBay. Although if you just go to Mr. Hulo, that's my my eBay name. All right, guys. Hope this was something helpful to you. You'll stay safe out there, and put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 840 videos, and food videos on Friday, review videos on Sunday, and wild card, whatever the heck I want, on Wednesday. All right, take care. See you out there.